Body, this is AUX per hour with trading of destruction.
And that's so tight he went on.
And it's time to do some watchdog. What do you call it? I forgot. Oh yeah, watchdogs. Yeah, it was.
Listen, guys, this is the part called Backstage
I ain't get this car.
Backstage Pass. Apparently he's got everyone's secret thing, right?
Yeah.
Secret.
We're trying to hack in.
So, Backstage Pass. Alright, guys, if you have any questions for me, you know, search me on Facebook. It's time to go.
And if, like I said, if I don't know how to make an intro, if you want to subscribe by doing a comment, just show me just tell me how to make an intro. Trey's crying.
Sorry, guys.
You guys, if y'all hear a little sound, that's Trey crying.
Sorry, buddy. Stop punching me.
Word.
That hurts.
I guess it's because he hates you now.
Stop punching me. That hurts.
Can I get up in here? Yep, I can bang it.
What is it?
Backseat driving.
What you doing?
I ain't want to be no backseat driver.
What you doing? What you doing, King? What you doing? What you doing?
The hell with the fixer. I made too much noise in the loop. This guy's found me.
Who found it?
Now I better find him. Joey's job will have to wait.
Pretty dramatic. Ooh! I can go around this way. Swerve it! Oh, that was a good swerve. They're just showing us information of how to do something.
Whoa.
Oh, they can show us the access.
Coward.
Shit, he's trying to hack in. Maybe if I trace his signal back, I'll find him before he breaches my phone.
Ah, heck nah. Shoot. If the heck my phone, I would have been mad.
Who is that on my phone?
Oh, shoot. Get about it and kick my Facebook out of this. Mind your business. 2 times the tab.
Trey's looking at the camera. What if he's up here?
Alright. I hardly did it, but whatever.
Almost.
Search him. Come on in. Fight him quick.
There he is.
I gotta go back down.
The fast too. We got the 30%.
He better not be trying to hack me before I shoot him. I'm gonna shoot them how they shoot.
Better hurry. He's close to me. Run him over.
Where is he at?
There go.
Where? Hold on the map.
What are you doing? Turn around the other way.
Oh my dang car.
Right there. Up there.
Up where? Up there?
Yeah, up there. Grab the car and go up there and find out who it is.
The car?
No. Alright. Oh my god, grab the car. Go up there.
Where is it?
You find him. No, look. Turn around, turn around. You're up there. He's up there. He's not an average civilian.
There you are. You're mine now.
Get your gun.
You ain't going nowhere.
Face you
trying to run off. Trey, he ain't gonna run off. That fool ain't gonna run off. Turn it down for what? Trey, what's up, Trey? What's doing? What's doing? You gonna give me the same look?
Someone's issued a contract on me. That's bad.
How about they call something else? Man.
These guys communicate through the grid.
Oh my god, hacking looks so cool.
And your peace, son.
Alright, what's up, buddy? Calm down, calm down. BRB, guys.
That BMW or something?
I want to go home.
Get out of here, selfie.
Alright, we're back.
And by the way, LOL, you ain't caught, FYI, you ain't caught the police. I stole her car. She tried to call the police.
Did you hear?
I broke her spine by running her over.
Oh my god, you are a bad driver. Where'd you steal a car, then you came and drive it right? Oh.
Wait, how much money? I'm gonna go eat some.
Online
Move
contract.
out the way.
Where's online contract got access?
That.
Uh-huh. The online contract got access. Ooh, cool. Mini game. There's a mini game. Mini games. Online contracts.
Hold on. Where's that little driving symbol? Unlock spoiler. What?
Chris LB.
LB? Where is y'all?
Yeah, back. Is that it?
Now my grid connection's down.
That sucks. Dang, why you scratch me?
Someone just turned the light off.
Trey, look at me. Trade in.
I'd love to take on one of these
Get out
guys.
the way. Don't let him know that. Alright, bye.